Yeah. Hi, Beast. So, this is basically how I be doing it. I got my Mpc Live over here, got my record player, because I still like to sample from records. So, I have to have like a mixer or my Mpc Live, which I don't mind having in there. A Kai on a Kai, you feel me? But I sample through with that. Cause my mixer is a Technics 1200, so that those you need a phono and you need somewhere to ground it. Right now I'm about to hit shift and then menu, and I'm about to go diving into my USB disk. I don't have a SD card on here, but it's all good. I got a USB disk. It's actually a Serato one that I got from a Serato event mad long ago in LA. So let's go to MPC Sounds, and actually we're gonna do a break today. So we're gonna find one of these breaks and chop it. That's good. That's a good one. These some good breaks. Which one should I do, guys? I'm probably not gonna do the one you guys picked too. I'm sorry. That one was fire. Now let's just do that one. Alright. So hopefully that's the one you guys wanted. So sometimes when chopping breaks I'm really deep in them. But when they're really this short, I'm just gonna hit threshold and let threshold do its job. And usually the threshold set at whatever the default, and it sounds perfectly fine for me. If I need to go tweak anything, I can still do that. I hit shift after that. Oh, there's a shift lock? What the hell is shift lock? I don't know what shift lock was, but I just saw it. I hit shift and then I basically turn that into its own program. Go back to main. Now in program 1 or track 1, I can go and I have the drums. So that's how we get loose. Now, one thing that a lot of the people, you could definitely keep your drums as loose as you want them to be, but a lot of people always say to put the kick, at least quantize the first kick. You don't have to, but I'm gonna do it here, and so now that kicks in there, it's quantized in there. You can hit shift and then time and correct, turn your time and correct off. What I would do from here is I would use overdub and I would just basically put some more kicks in there. That was garbage. See, no, I already fucked up. So I'm gonna undo that. Alright. Undo is dope. Now, one thing I did notice about the Mpc Key, when you track up, it always defaults on another like synth. I wish, and there probably is a way, but I haven't figured it out yet, a way so that it could just go up on drums. Because I'm just not there on the synths yet, guys. So when I track up, I don't want to go into plugin 3. I would like to just go into the drums that I'm working on. But it is what it is. Oh, I missed that last one really bad. might just do for actually, we're gonna do, just gonna look for some hi-hats real quick. Put them right here. Usually I have my hi-hats on pad 3 and 4. I have like a kick on pad 1 and then a snare on pad 2. Sometimes I switch it up, but that's pretty much 1,000% of how I do it. And then after that, I gotta see something rocking. Once again, it defaults on a plugin. I'm still just using it for the dope part about the keys is you can have your samples just playing off on keys. Alright, we're gonna rock with that one. Just light work, you feel me? Nothing heavy over here. It's all light work, just light lifting. And then you can get gully. You can get one of the things I like to do now is I like to let's go find an 808 real quick or some type of bass or something. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna dig for a bass real quick. It's really that quick. So let's say that's. Right there, and we like that bass, right? Let's go back to main, or actually we gotta go into edit. Let's say I like that bass, right? I'm gonna bring the start point a little bit. You hit this little keyboard up there, and it'll make basically a program for that bass. Now that bass is a key group. Yeah, that's just basically how I cook up. So let's put that bass in there real quick and then call it quits. Take a part of y'all majors, setting full for the Raiders. I was out here lost just like the Raiders. Motherfucking lost in the tombs and the storms. This niggas that was stoned. running through the bones, rapping out change for the pain for the phones. How they can't rain from the main to the soon. I just maintain how the fuck on the moon. They just trying to consume. Yeah. They don't even know that I've been black on the side, but the police it is. Tim's on this generation. Woo. I'm about to put a filter on that shit. That shit is too powerful. So just cooking, man. That's how I do it. Touch effects. I think. Well, let's see what it's on. Touch effects right now. It's on band pass. I like to use the reverse one a lot. It's pretty dope. Good for like when you're like about to drop the beat into the next sequence or something. Alright, well, that was just some light work, man. I'm gonna get back to this, you know.